Hey guys, Mike Pugrad, National Operations Director for All Exhibit Solutions. We're out here in the heart of Anaheim at the Anaheim Convention Center doing RE+, renewable energy. We got about 55 guys and 20 booths. Let's go see what's going on. So we're here on Jinko, 50 by 60 footprint, one of the bigger booths that we have on this show. And the guys are getting after it. About a 4-day build and 6 men total. So RE Plus is the largest energy show in North America. We got a full facility, downstairs, upstairs, hotels, meeting rooms, you name it. Another 50 by 60 booth. This is power electronics. 5-day build, 8-man call. We are killing it. Another successful show in the books, All Exhibit Solutions. With over 20 years of experience in the trade show industry, why go anywhere else?